The 3-second trick to make people respect you if you're quiet. Do you ever find yourself struggling to command respect when you're not the loudest person in the room? It can be tough to make your voice heard and your presence felt when you're naturally more introverted or reserved. But what if I told you there's a simple 3-second trick that can instantly make people sit up and take notice of you, even if you're not the most talkative person around? In this video, I'm going to share the trick with you and show you how you can use it to start earning the respect you deserve. So whether you're shy, introverted, or just looking to up your game in social situations, be sure to stick around and learn this powerful technique. 1. Have slow, relaxed movements. Make sure you're never in a rush. Moving slowly instantly gives others the sense that you're above feeling intimidated talking to them. Picture this: you find yourself in a situation where everyone else is sweating bullets, feeling the pressure and stress weighing heavily on their shoulders, but not you. Nope, you're cool as a cucumber, moving at a slow and steady pace easily and comfortably. Your confidence shines through as you glide through the chaos, unfazed by the madness around you. You're in control, baby. 2. Hold eye contact even during conflict. Have you ever wondered how your eye contact could affect the way people perceive you? It's not about always holding that unwavering stare, but understanding what message you're sending through your gaze. So you don't have to hold eye contact all the time, but doing it during conflict can actually escalate the tension if neither of you is willing to break. If you want to assert your dominance and show you're not intimidated, hold your gaze steady. But if your goal is to calm things down, maybe it's better to look away or down. However, if you still want to show confidence without projecting fear, hold that eye contact for a few seconds and then break it by looking to the side rather than down. It's all about knowing your own behavior signals and how to use them to your advantage. 3. Be non-reactive to hostility. Let me paint you a picture. You're in a tough spot with all kinds of craziness happening around you. Most people would be losing their minds, but not you. Nope, you're as calm as a summer breeze. And you know what that says about you? It says that you have the utmost confidence in yourself and your ability to handle whatever comes your way. People can't help but respect someone who keeps their cool in the face of adversity like that. But here's the thing, it's not about putting on a facade when you're freaking out on the inside. No, it's about cultivating a deep, genuine internal confidence that radiates outward even in the most trying of circumstances. 4. Be as big as your audience. When speaking to a larger group, it's important to make your hand gestures bigger and bolder to help emphasize your points. However, when it comes to communicating effectively, body language is just the tip of the iceberg. Take for example a leader who must address their team in the face of difficult circumstances. Despite the temptation to fight back against those who are trying to bring them down, the leader understands that it's their team who will ultimately bear the brunt of the cuts and sacrifices. They urge their team not to complain, even in the face of injustice, because to do so would be unpatriotic. In situations like this, it's not just about what your body language is saying, it's about the words you choose and the values you uphold as a leader. 5. Focus on the way you speak. It's not just about what you say, how you say it can also make a huge impact. Many people make the mistake of using upward inflection at the end of their statements, which can make them sound uncertain or lacking in conviction. If you want to show that you truly believe what you're saying, try ending your statements with a downward inflection instead. And don't forget about the power of the pause. The moment when you stop speaking can actually be one of the most effective tools in your communication arsenal. It's a chance to draw people in, pique their interest, and make them really pay attention to what you're saying. So the next time you're speaking, think beyond your words and focus on the nuances of your tone and timing. It can make all the difference. 6. Use carrot stick motivation. carrot stick motivation might sound like a pretty harsh concept. I mean, who wants to threaten to murder children? But don't worry, there are more practical ways to apply this idea to your own life. Let's say you're looking for a raise or a promotion at work. Instead of simply asking for more money, you could take a more persuasive approach. Start by telling your boss that you want to add more value to the company and play at a higher level. Ask them what they would need to see from you in the next 3 months to promote you, and work together to create a concrete list of goals. Then, make sure you nail everything on the list. At the same time, start looking for other job offers. In 3 months, you can show your boss all the value you've created for the company. That's the carrot. But if they're unwilling to give you a raise, you can use those other job offers as a stick to show that you're serious about your worth. Now, I know this plan might sound a bit daunting, especially if you're lacking in confidence, but building confidence is actually way easier than you might think. With the right game plan and mindset, you can become significantly more confident in just a few weeks. So don't be afraid to use carrot stick motivation to get what you want. Just remember to keep it practical and ethical. Following these 6 simple steps of the 3-second trick will truly make people respect you even if you're quiet. And once you master them, it will indeed take only 3 seconds to apply all of the steps to your behavior. This brings us to the end of today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to hit that bell button so you can get notified whenever there's a new video with tips on how to look suave.